Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Josh Beltran. Welcome back to my channel. And today is day 5 of the 30-day video challenge. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe that video. And remember to tick that bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, we're going to learn about Clickbank, one of the most popular affiliate marketplaces. Now, if you're not familiar with it or know a little bit and are curious to learn more, this video is perfect for you. You're going to see how easy it is to promote a product that is not yet launched or newly launched and be ahead of the curve among the first to promote it. And even learn how to create reviews on the product and promote it among social media platforms to get it in front of your audience. So without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. My partner and mentor, Joshua Elder, is going to put you up on game and show you how it's done. And remember, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Tick that bell, that way you're notified on my next upload. And if you're interested in taking a trial on the lesson that I'm learning from, I have a $1 trial link listed below in the descriptions. Go ahead and check that out. You won't be disappointed. Now that's day 5, 25 more to go. Let's get it. Peace.
What is happening, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to show you how I've made nearly $10,000 in profit with Clickbank over the past week and a half. As you can see here on screen, nearly $10,000, I think between $9,200, $9,500. Haven't added up the exact figures, but we're going to jump into the computer. We're going to add these figures up. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I did to create this result. So if you are brand new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button and tick that bell icon, because I'm uploading videos very frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Once again, give me a like if you're looking forward to the content within this video here. Let's get in, let's show you the earnings, and let's show you this process in complete and utter detail. All right, so let's go ahead and actually show you the proof first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Clickbank account right here. We're just going to go ahead and sign in, and we're going to scroll down here. No shenanigans. You can see this is all legit. I can click the refresh button right here. And you can see once again from the 27th, Monday, January 27th, all the way to February 6th, you can see all these various earnings right here. And this is all from 100% free advertising strategies from YouTube. Once again, we're going to walk you through this process. Let me show you the numbers real quickly as far as exactly what we've done up to this point. So week 1, right here, we did 16, 16, 86. Week 2, we did 52, 53, 40. And then we're kind of into the 11th, 12th day, I believe. And we've done 25, 35, 09. And that equates to about $9,405.35. This doesn't include rebills. Some of these people are on a payment plan. So we very well have done, right around, $15,000, $16,000, right around that mark. So how do you do this? How do you engineer this? And that's exactly what I want to cover in this video. This is something that anybody can do regardless of your experience level. You do have to have the courage to go out there and make big things happen. Be okay with failure your first few times, especially when you implement this strategy. I didn't just implement this strategy on the first time and create massive results like this. Every time I implemented this strategy, I got better and better and better. So do not quit on this strategy if the first time you don't get the results that you want. There's people inside of our group that have generated over $1,000 doing this the very first time. I'm going to pop that up on screen. One of my students, Dirk, implemented the same exact strategy and got incredible results. So this is something that anybody can do. English is not even their first language. They're from the Netherlands, him and his wife. They're actually Dutch, and they now live in Costa Rica with their beautiful family. And they do this full time, affiliate marketing full time. So this just goes to show you no excuses. You guys can absolutely do this. So the first thing that you want to do, step number 1, you want to go to a website called jvnotifypro.com. Now, this not only applies to Clickbank products, but it applies to many other products across the board. Depending on what the product is that you're creating your campaigns around, sometimes these product owners use different merchants. Sometimes they'll use Clickbank. Sometimes it'll be JVZoo. Sometimes they'll use their own in-house merchant. So it just really depends. on who it is that you're partnering with to promote their product. So essentially what we're doing is we're leveraging product launches, new products that are releasing to the marketplace where we can actually piggyback off of the buzz and profit. In other words, when you promote a product that has a lot of affiliates promoting, other gurus, in other words, that have big email lists, what happens is they will send out an email promoting the product. And then when you have like 50,000 plus people on an email list, some of these guys have 500,000, even 1 million people on their email list. What'll happen is these customers on their email list or these prospects will open the email and realize, oh, this is XYZ product. You know, they jump on the webinar, they learn about it, and then they're like, oh, man, I don't know if this product is legit. And they go to YouTube, they go to Google and type in what the product name is plus review. Or maybe they love the product. They just want to find somebody that has a really good bonus of the product to buy through their affiliate link so they can get some added on value from one of the affiliates. So there might be an affiliate that has a better offer, a better bonus than another affiliate, and they end up going with that other affiliate. And so people will go to YouTube and Google and type in product name plus bonus, product name plus review, product name plus scam, and then they'll find the product, a review, and then they end up going through the link in the description of one of the products that's being promoted, and they'll end up buying, right? So you can go to this website, JV Notify Pro. This is kind of my go-to website, and I like to look at all these launches here. So January 28th, Aiden Booth and Steve Clayton launched a product known as the Kibo Code. So I've partnered with them many times because they do create quality products, and their affiliates make a lot of money from the product launches. And this specific product was right around $3,500, and you got about 50% commission. You got right around $1,600 in commission. So when you look at this, the earnings right here, like this first day right here, $1,616, and then I got about two full pay sales on Friday. And that's why you're seeing these big numbers. So the key is to promote higher ticket products that will pay you out more money with a lot less effort and a lot less work. So I'd like to find products that have new and hot next to them. Of course, all these will be new, but you want to see this word hot. And then you want to look at clicks to the JV page. So anything really over 500 clicks is a good product to create this campaign around. Anything beneath like 500 clicks, or maybe there's not a lot of affiliates promoting, that just means there's not going to be a lot of buzz in the marketplace about the product. Therefore, a lot of consumers aren't going to be searching on Google and YouTube for a review on the product. Okay. So I just look for products that are hot, products, you know, that have at least 500 clicks or more to the unique clicks to the affiliate landing page, to the JV invite page. So you can see that this one right here, Jimmy Chappell Earn More with Clickbank, launches actually tomorrow, 1,125 unique clicks. So that's a great product to what I call launch jack, and leverage this product to either promote the product or to say, hey, if there's another product you believe is better out there, you can kind of say, okay, I've done a review on this product. It's not really of quality. I would recommend this product over here, and you can promote that other product that maybe you have gone through, you've seen results with. So just because you're doing a review on a product that's being launched doesn't mean you have to promote that specific product, of course, especially if it's not of value. So what you can always do as well is you can ask some of these product owners for a review copy. And the way that you do that, this way you don't have to like spend money buying the product, although that creates a lot of social proof for the product, but you can actually create an account right here. And then after you create an account, any offer that you go through, it will ask your name and email address. So then it can update you on when the product's going to release. They release different marketing materials for you too as well. And they'll give you, you know, an email that you can send, you know, an inquiry to, you know, answer any questions about the product, to give you more insight, even a review copy of the product. So when you get that review copy, you could do a full review on it. But a lot of times they'll ask you how big of a list you have, how big of a following you have. And if you don't have a big following, it makes it difficult to review some of these products. So what I like to do is I like to look at the other reviews, other people that are reviewing the same product, and do sort of like a reporter review, kind of a third party review, looking at what everybody else is saying about the product, then make my verdict based off of what the market is saying as a whole. So what I'll do is I'll go through other reviews of other people and say, okay, so-and-so is saying this over here, so-and-so is saying that. Based off of what I'm seeing though, for the most part, it's a good product because most people are saying it's a good product, right? Or it's a bad product because most people are saying that it's not such a great product. So you can kind of look at different people's reviews and you want to make sure they're as unbiased as possible and then make your review based off of what everybody else is saying, right? So before we get into kind of the process, the step-by-step process of what I did, I just want you guys to know this so you understand kind of the method to the madness. So what I did is I went out there just purely on YouTube and I did a review on this Kibo Code product. Okay. And I did it in a few steps, actually 3 steps. I could have done it in many more steps, but because this product had a specific launch sequence, I could have released more videos reviewing different parts of this launch sequence. So not only did I review the product, but I reviewed the value that the product owners were giving to the consumer in pre-launch. So they would release like a PDF guide on day 1 and I would review that PDF guide. And then they would release the webinar and then I would do a review on the webinar. And then they would release obviously the actual product and I'd purchase the product and do a review on the product. And then I would do like a bonus video. So these are the different videos that you can create to really kind of document your journey as the product is launching. And so not every product will have all these different sequences and all these different, free value that they're giving out. Most good launches do this. So that's an indicator that's an awesome launch. Most launches will be like, okay, here's the first day of launch. Here's the webinar. And they'll just, get people on a webinar for like 3 or 4 days straight. And then they launch the product. So what you could do is you could do obviously an overview, which is what I did on day 1. This is what you would typically do with most launches, is just do an overview of the product, right? So about 2 to 3 weeks before the product launches, you want to position yourself at the top of YouTube, at the top of these search engines, so you can ride that wave. So when the product is launched and people type the product name plus review, you're ranked at the top. Okay, that is the key. The earlier that you create your review video, the better. So here's my first video. It was just an overview because the product hadn't launched, so I can't do a full review on it, right? So what I did is I just did a simple overview video, and I knew that people would type in here, once again, product name plus review. So I want to make sure that I have that in the title of my video. And then I let them know it's an overview video. And then what I do is in my description, I include the Kibo Code review in my description. And then in the tags of my video, I also put Kibo Code review. So if you're wanting to rank for product name plus review, which is what most people are typing in, you want to make sure that that is in the title, the description, and the tags. So I created this overview video first. Okay. So that was step number 1, just to create a preliminary overview video. Step number 2 is I actually reviewed one of the marketing materials that they give out. Okay, so this has the Kibo Code, 4 steps, and 76K in 24 hours. So that was the whole purpose of this, is to say, hey, there's a guide that these guys just released on day 1. I'm going to go through it. I'm going to review it. So I actually go through it. I review it. I let people know my honest opinion about it. And then I say, okay, we're going to wait until the webinar comes out. I'm going to go ahead and review the webinar and let you guys know what I think. So what I decided to do is once the webinar was released, I went through the webinar and then I also kind of went through the product. The thing about this product though is it releases on a weekly basis. In other words, these aren't pre-recorded videos. The actual modules launch starting today. So I wasn't able to review any materials because this is a live program that's recorded, but there's a method to the madness. There's actually a reason why they do that. So people get more benefit from it. So they don't just rush through the product, right? So I mentioned that actually in my review, and I talked about Stephen Aiden's reputation. So I did as much as I could to give people a review and talk about the history of the product owners. So this is when I really had enough information to do the review. And then I told people about my bonus. So this is where you make a lot of money. This is where probably 90% of my income, I probably 10x my income because of offering a bonus, which a lot of people don't do. And that's why you can get an unfair advantage. So I told people about my review, allowed them to have the opportunity to get access to my bonus, which I created a bonus page telling people everything they get access to. And then they buy the Kibo code through my affiliate link, right, that the product owners gave me. Once they go through the affiliate link, they buy, then they send an email to support@joshelder.com, letting me know that. And I look in my account to make sure that the order code aligns with, you know, my sales that are tracked here. And then I send them access to my bonuses, right? So the bonuses is what makes the biggest difference. If I didn't offer bonuses, I probably would have made like $2,000, if that, right? So that makes a huge, huge difference. So the key is to create numerous videos to rank for the Kibo code review in this case. It's kind of like throwing darts at a dartboard. The more darts you throw, the more chances you're going to have to hit a bullseye. So I knew if I just created one video around the Kibo code review, I'd have less chance of ranking at the top. So if we create an incognito window and type in the Kibo code review, boom. If we scroll down here, you can see here's one of my review videos right here. Here's one of my review videos right here. And if we just type in Kibo code as well, just the Kibo code, you can also see I may or may not, I got a video ranked right here. So the unique thing about this launch is there was a lot of people promoting, but a lot of people made a lot of money. This launch did well over $10 million. I think it hit records. So you thinking, well, this is going to get saturated. You know, if you create a bonus package that's unique and you create a review that really separates yourself from the other people, you can make a lot of money with this formula. Just like my students are doing. Again, this is one of my students, Dirk, right here. How I made $5,527.32 with the Kibo code launch, right? So he was able to make money. I was able to make a lot of money. So if you like the sound of this, you want to be able to implement this, there's going to be a link in the description that's going to tell you a little bit more about my program and how you can literally not only copy my content, copy my videos, and copy my whole entire business, but you'll also get access to my launch jacking course, which dives deep into this kind of stuff, to where you can learn how to leverage free traffic, how to leverage what you've got in between your ears, and leverage these big launches that happen every few months, if not every single month, to make some incredible side income that can allow you to quit your job. So if you like the sound of that, click the link below in the description. Regardless, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel once again. Tick that bell icon. Give me a big fat like, you guys. I love your support on this channel. And, we'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day, night, wherever you're tuning in from. And I appreciate you watching this video. Look forward to seeing you more.